Hello, Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. First, we are going to do the Chilli Pulao. Chilli Pulao is also very tasty pulao, after which we are going to do again ghee roast, but this time we are doing the Mangalore style. The Mangalore coastal area, they get a very wonderful chili which is called Byagadi Chillies, and this chili has a very sweet flavor. Let's start with our Chilli Pulao, green chili version. So first we are going to add some oil. Here is the cashew nut. I'm just going to add a little extra. We are going to cook this cashew nut till they get slight coloring. So just little bit of coloring, and then we are going to add onions. So here I've got sliced onion for pulao, and for any pulao, these onions give excellent taste. While these onions get fried, I'm going to show you what I did with the green chili. So we get various kinds of green chili in the market, but here, I've got the darker green chili which is very spicy, the lighter ones which are not that spicy. So these chilies, what I did, I just cut them into small pieces, then kind of crush them. So we're going to add the green chili. So in this, we're going to add some salt and also some ginger garlic paste, and saute these with the onions, with the green chilies, everything. This is what is going to make it very tasty. I'm going to add some mint leaf to flavor this, some coriander leaf, and I'm not going to add turmeric or anything. I'm just going to make this nice white kind of pulao. Here, for 1 cup of rice, we're going to add double quantity of water. So here I'm going to add 6 cups of water. We have to check the flavor. Yes, I'm getting this nice chili flavor. Bring this to a nice boil. But in the meanwhile, we're going to talk about our chicken preparation also. Whenever I'm cooking where I need to, remove the extra water, I just took a strainer and put the chicken there so that all the extra moisture can come off. But here, I'm going to show you 2 kind of chilies. So these chilies, I'm going to leave it here. And here you can see the kind of chilies. One is Byagadi chili, other one is the Kashmiri chili, because a lot of people, they use the substitution. They don't get the Byagadi chili, they use the Kashmiri chili. Both of them will look similar, but the Kashmiri chilies are slightly bigger in size, whereas the Byagadi chili are smaller. The flavor is more or less same. The water is come to a nice boil. I'm going to add the rice in this. In this pulao, I'm going to add the masalas, whole garam masala. Let me cook this on another flame, 1 more 2 minutes. So a lot of people, again, they keep asking me, hey, how much time do we need to cook this rice for? With the kind of, high flame I am using, the rice will be done in just few minutes. Here is my another stove. So I'm going to let this cook on a slow flame. We have done 3-step process. One thing is, here I've got the masalas. I've taken very little cumin seeds, I've got fennel seeds, some dhania, some fenugreek seeds, cloves, and some tamarind. I put all of them in the blender, I made the powder. So this is step 1. The second step is, I have taken Byagadi chili, which is Karnataka's very popular chili. You can put it in the hot water and you can remove the seeds and then make a beautiful red color paste. Now we will begin cooking here. For this, absolutely we are going to use ghee. I'm going to take the chicken. Actually, I want to cook the chicken little bit, boiling kind of thing. But this chicken, I'm going to put it in the ghee, all these pieces. In this ghee, I'm going to add yogurt. All the curd has to disappear and the chicken has to cook. You can add some ginger garlic paste here, a little bit, some turmeric. We want at least the chicken to be done at least 70%, after which we are going to add the rest of the masalas and everything. I am to check whether any moisture is there. I hope you can see the bottom of the pan. I am going to turn it the other side. There is no moisture left. Move this rice little bit so the aeration, the air gap will happen, because of which the rice will become nice and perfect. If you see, the chicken is getting nice and soft. But the whole thing is, when the recipe is done, the moisture will be completely finished. So I want the masalas also to be slightly cooked. In this, the same masalas, whatever I did, I'm going to add a little bit. In this, I'm going to add this Byagadi chili paste. So this is my restaurant learned recipe. So the chicken is half cooked. If you start the chicken from the raw chili paste, you will have a lot of trouble. Means it will start sticking at the bottom and all that. But here, the chicken is half cooked. So half of my worry that the chicken has to be cooked is gone. Slowly, we're going to cook till this dries out. And again, the ghee will come and flavor the chicken a lot. I will just keep mixing this. Make sure it doesn't burn at the bottom. So now this is good. We have to check the taste, and I'm going to add the salt in this. Already the chicken is soaked in salt. But once you put all this, now you're going to add whatever the salt that is needed. So you have to slowly cook till the chili paste will be nicely done. Just put the lid on and let it simmer on a slow, cooking. Now the ghee. We're going to add another flavor. So here the jaggery is in the powder form. So not much. See, actually you should add in such a way that only to enhance the flavor. So to counter that sourness in the chicken, we're going to add a little bit and then just mix all of this. Now the chicken will almost be getting ready. I want this chicken to slightly dry out. So I'm going to spread it like this. One more time. Now the flavor is coming out. The chicken, the ghee, the chili and everything, all the flavors. There in the curry leaves, add some more, and when the ghee is coming, I'm just going to fry them in the ghee, and this will be done in no time. So look at the rice. This is my chili flavored rice. Once it is done, it has to be fluffy like this. Look at that. Each grain of the rice is so beautifully done. The rice goes in the plate here, and look at the rice. So perfect. I may have to add a little more of ghee here. That should be good enough. So I'm just going to transfer this chicken. I want you to see the shine. The masalas have to literally hug the chicken pieces. They have to be shiny, they have to be nice, excellent, and everything. Look at that shine, the chicken pieces. And you want to know how tender this chicken is cooked? I will show you. Put it here. See, I've used the raw chicken, isn't it? And I've cooked it in front of you. But the chicken has to. This pulao, the nice green chili pulao, is very nice and flavorful and a great combination for red chili chicken. And let me bring some of this nice chicken. I have added some bone pieces also here. This masala is so good. Now, absolutely boomba boomba. Keep cooking. Love you all. And when you say boomba boomba, it's absolutely boomba boomba. Every bite, amazing, beautiful chicken melting away. I'm not teasing you. I'm only encouraging you to make it, eat it, and keep saying whatever.